He was trying to tell you to sort your life out.
Open the fucking door!
After your son, you drunk bitch.
Come out if you've got something to say. Come out. Don't say it inside, love. Come out and say it. I'm knocking on your fucking door. Come out and say it. What you like.
What, you think people are laughing at you with 4 boyfriends and one of them's beating you up? You ask for it.
Open the door, love. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door, love. I'm here. I'm standing here.
You can talk to the police when they get here. You're on camera and it's recorded.
That's alright, love. That's alright. I couldn't give a shit. I couldn't give a shit, love. It's right, the police are on the way anyway.
On their way. Will you stop knocking on my door, Debbie? You're goading me. I actually have a temper problem, and if I come out there, you will regret it.
Come out. Come out then. Come out. Come out. Come out. Well, I regret it. Come out.
I'll sit down there and see what happens.
Open it then, love. Open it. Open it. Seriously? Seriously? You don't want to fuck with me because you're fucking with the wrong person.